y'all, welcome to my local flavor kitchen right here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. And today we are going to make something super easy for supper that you can put in the crock pot, turn it on, and come back home and it will be ready to go. All you have to do is add some cheese. So we're going to make some garlic Parmesan chicken, and I'm going to start off cutting up some potatoes. So I'm going to do about 5 potatoes, and I'm also going to cut up about 4 chicken breasts. So do that accordingly to however many people you're feeding. I'm just gonna put my potatoes into like little chunks. I've already washed them off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pop them into my crock pot here. Sometimes I like to use little baby potatoes, the little tiny ones, but I haven't been to the store, and I had these already, so I'm gonna use these up. These are golden yellow potatoes. Same thing on my chicken. I'm just gonna dice it up into like little bite sizes. So it's real easy when you dish it out. It's just all bite size and ready to eat. Got my chicken right on top of my potatoes, just like that. I'm gonna go wash all of this off because we don't wanna catch the salmonella. Okay, so I'm gonna use my Pampered Chef Crock Rocket. Is it a crock rocket? What is this? A rock crocket. It's a crock rocket. No, it's not. A rocket crock. This is Pampered Chef Rocket Crock Pot. I just call it my Pampered Chef Crock Pot. It's so cute. Look at this little thing. It's so cute. And it has high, medium, low, warm. And you can take this out and put it in the refrigerator when you're done. Put the lid on it, and this will keep your leftovers, and take it out, put it right back in. All right, I've got everything in here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. I'm gonna use some coarse black pepper. Now listen, if you're feeding a passel of people, then you're gonna wanna, double this up, maybe get you a bigger crock pot. This crock pot is 4 quarts, 5, I don't even know what it is. Just get you a bigger crock pot if you have more people. All right, now this is what I'm gonna do. This is my secret ingredient. Now y'all know you can find everything at the grocery store now. I went ahead and got this Sweet Baby Ray's. I know Kinder's has a lot of sauces too, but I'm gonna use this one, the garlic Parmesan Sweet Baby Ray's. Use whatever you want, because anything I'm sure is gonna be great. So I'm just gonna do this one. And I'm just gonna put the whole thing in here. This is gonna be delicious. And this is 16 ounces, all right? And just for good measure, just because I feel like it's gonna need a little bit more liquid than that, I'm gonna put a little bit, probably about a half a can of this chicken broth. I'm gonna put about a half a can of chicken broth in there, okay? All right, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it right in here. Oh my goodness. All right, lid on, and now we're just gonna fire her up. So you twist it. You twist it to what your desired temperature is, which is low, and then you're gonna hit low, and then you're gonna do it for, I'm gonna do mine for 8 hours, because that's probably how long I'm gonna be upstairs today, and I'm just gonna hit there, 8 hours. You can do it for 6 hours, whatever. It don't matter. It's going to be good when you get it because it's slow cooking. So low for about 8 hours. I'm going to go upstairs and work all day and come down, and then I'm going to show you what it's like. And I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I cannot wait. So here we go. It's cooking. This is going to be our supper tonight. I'm so excited. Okay. Hey y'all. So it's been a long time. It is late. Everybody's cleaning up upstairs. You can hear them cleaning up there. We've had a long, hot day here in beautiful Branson, Missouri. Beautiful, hot Branson, Missouri. And so I'm gonna check on my garlic Parmesan chicken. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It has just been, you can smell it upstairs. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of mozzarella cheese in there. Do a little bit of this. Well, good night. Little mozzarella, and let's do a little bit of Parmesan, because I love me some more Parmesan. The more the better. Just like that. Guys, look at that. It looks and smells delicious. And I would just serve this with some green beans, if for a little something else, but I'm not going to put it. I'm not gonna make any green beans. I'm just gonna eat it just like this. Ah, look at that cheese. So good. Oh my word, y'all. That looks so good, and it smells so good. So easy, put it on, go to work, come back, and it's ready to go. All right, I'm gonna grab a fork. Actually, I'm gonna grab a spoon. Looks more like a spoon dish, but I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese on mine. A little cheesier. Whew, it's piping hot. Garlic, Parmesan chicken, and cheese, so good. Home run. That's delicious. Go make this. You're gonna love it. Easy peasy supper idea. I think about 6 hours would be plenty of time. Even 4. 4 hours would be plenty of time, but the chicken is really, really tender, so I think if you need it to cook 8 to 10 hours because you're gone to work, I think that'll be fine too. Either way, it's delicious and you're gonna love it. See ya.